Do you know what? If I can find the video, I'll insert a clip. But George, my little boy, who was 4 at the time, decided that a donut challenge would be a good idea. What it wasn't was a good idea at all, because I went through like 24 donuts, and even though they were just the original Krispy Kremes, even just tasting this donut now, I don't know what it is, but I just don't want to see another donut, if I'm honest.
Got Ben on a diet, Darren with a big box of donuts.
I thought you were going to comment on my stomach then.
I didn't need to.
So who doesn't like breakfast donut, as you said? Which one do you want, Ben?
It's in one you're having now.
Which one do you want, Ben?
I want the biscuit.
I want that one.
Do half each, share.
Yeah, we could.
Tapas
No, we
of
can't.
donuts.
Can't.
No?
Can't, just because of this current situation. So yeah, go on, Ben.
First choice for
Ben.
Ben.
Go on, Rick.
I'm gonna go with this one, because I've no idea what it is.
Right, come on then, Amy. Amy doesn't want to be on camera. Lee, I'm afraid you've got the camera in your hand, so you can't eat a donut. Do you know what I'm gonna have? Right, I'm gonna have that little one there.
You're gonna have all of them. I'm not taking them away.
Yeah. I'm gonna have that one.
Ben's gonna have a lot of donuts. Thank you, donuts.
Lee, these donuts are really good. Cheers, Rick. I'm
Thank
not
you,
gonna let
Krispy
him have
Kreme.
any of them.
I'll try them out after, don't worry.
No, you won't. There you go. A bit of that.
This is breakfast as well.
I know, yeah. Who would have thought that 10 AM was a good time for you squirting all over the place there, Ben?
That's why I took the kids to school.
Oh dear.
So everyone.
So yeah, we'll join you again after we've eaten these donuts. What we're gonna
Happy
do?
breakfast.
Yeah, happy breakfast. 10 AM donut, you can't beat it. Try it, guys.
We have to be like...
Darren. we won't comment on anybody else, we're only...
Hi guys, welcome back to BD Performance. My name's Darren Evans and we're here with Rick from RicoRally. Now Rick's
Morning,
been a
guys.
long-term customer of ours for, well, no, actually you're not a customer really, you're just a friend. Just pops in randomly. We've known Rick since the, what was it called? Maxton Designs? No, it wasn't Maxilin. Maxilin. Yeah, so Maxilin days, back when Chris was running that.
Yeah.
And that's how we kind of first met, I think, through Chris Luppy.
10 years ago, probably.
Yeah, so it's about 10 years ago. And you actually attended in the Dodge our first ever kind of real open day back in probably 2010-ish, was it? 2010, maybe, 2011. So yeah, we've known each other for about 10 years now. You had the cool truck back in the day, which you started the rallies then, was it?
Yeah, we started the RicoRally 2010, first trip was 2011, my unfortunate choice for the Dodge Ram pickup. So, yeah.
That was a cool pickup though, to be fair.
Back in the day.
And for most of you, you probably will have seen Rick at quite a few of the car meets way back then. You used to you used to get quite
all the North Wales car
meets. Yeah,
meets,
you used to get to nearly every car meet. any focus meets or anything. Now, I remember seeing you at a load of places that I would never thought you'd turned up. The reason behind Ric being here today is not only he owns an amazing R8 in the background, which we'll show you a bit later on, but also this wonderful machine here. Now, there's a bit of a story behind this, isn't there, really?
It's broken.
Yeah, so, yeah, but other than that, Ric's always had a track car in the background alongside what you do in terms of RicoRally, and you're a petrol head through and through, aren't you? You always have been.
Love the cars, love the Fords.
Yeah, so you had a Mini before?
I had the Mini Cooper SR53 and the 56, yeah.
We actually had the Mini while you borrowed our Mark II RS to do a RicoRally in.
We did.
When was that? 2015?
16, I think.
16 was it?
2016 I used our Mark II RS, yeah.
Yeah. So
or Hannah's.
Yeah. You used the white RS with a pink and grey livery on it. And I had the pleasure of using the Mini. Well, sort of.
Once.
Yeah. So you picked this up as a little cheapie. Used it on track how many times?
4 or 5 times.
So, yeah, it was a Puma build, I think, powered thing. Used it on track, it was fine. It's got a big brake upgrade. It's got Puma build software, we think, mount tune intake, a few other bits and bobs on it. We'd planned to livery it up along with APM, hadn't we? And that's where it sat for a while.
It did. It sat, and then we got it back on the road, back on the track. 2 or 3 track days later, I seem to have inherited a little hydrolocking problem with the water. So hence, it's now with Darren.
We'll just give you a bit of context. Ric actually went walking and basically can't use 2 feet at the same time. He's established.
Mountain walking in trainers, not suitable.
So yeah, the car came into us with a cracked liner. We suspected that's what it was. I think you knew all along that it was probably that. Did someone say that it already had a block mod when you...
I was informed when I bought the car, block mod, no paperwork, so it was a 50-50. A bad guess.
Yeah, so you knew it anyway, but you had a bad leg or bad foot, injured ankle, so we got the car down to us, and we've had it for about 3 or 4 weeks now, have we? Roughly, I think.
Just about, 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks. So we had a look at it, took the head off straight away, informed you that it got cracked liner. So we discussed a couple of different options, and this is just a track toy for you, so we didn't want to spend too much money. So we had the opportunity to pick up a second-hand RS engine, so we put a new cam belt on it, a new water pump, checked it all over, took the sump off, checked for any kind of visible signs of play or damage in the big end bearings themselves, made sure it was okay. And we've actually put the engine into your car now, so we've got to a point now where it runs. We need to maybe have a look at doing a turbo upgrade, just to try and
turbo.
Slightly smoky turbo. So, but you knew about that anyway. We just checked the turbo for a bit of play, and it didn't seem too bad. Ric had forgotten to mention to us that when he let off, when he'd given it a footfall on track, it did smoke a bit. Well, it's still doing that now, so we'll probably either send his turbo off to get something done to it in the short term, or maybe upgrade to a second-hand or new RS turbo, but we're going to have a chat about that a bit later on off camera. So yeah, the other idea that we've got is obviously we're going to livery this car up with the BD Performance livery, as well as the APM livery and the RicoRally livery. So if you guys got any ideas about what you think we should include on this vehicle, then hit us up in the comments down below. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon to stay notified, share as far as you can, like the video if you do enjoy the content that we're bringing to you, and hopefully we'll do some more content with Ric in the future. We've got plans for maybe joining you on a rally. We've had them for like, I don't know, 10 years of joining you for a rally.
More trips are coming, UK based as well as the European, really, so you guys along will be great. So for anyone who doesn't know, then have a look online. What's your website address? RicoRally.co.uk, or you can sort of get us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all the usual social media platforms. Check it out on the YouTube channel. Alongside, we've got some of Darren's stuff along there as well, so anything you can do. So what trips have you got planned for next year? We've got an Ireland trip in May. We've got June 2021, September 2021 Europe again, Monaco is for June, so we've got Monaco Nürburgring over a sort of 7-day period. We've also got a September Scotland trip coming off. We have got plans for USA, but that probably will be 2022 now with COVID restrictions.
Yeah. So you haven't actually done anything this year, have you? Because
No,
you've taken the right approach and just done nothing at all.
Yeah.
So you've just transferred people over to next year, or given the opportunity to use their deposit for next year.
Yeah.
But just so that the viewers can get some sort of idea about the costs, what is the cost of generally of a trip per driver?
General sort of week-long trip. The Monaco one in sort of June would be like a £1,190 per person, based on 2 sharing a car.
And how many days is that?
Sort of tweaks. What? Sorry.
How many days is that?
That's a sort of 6-day trip. We say Monaco Nürburgring, no sort of budget hotels, lots of sort of stuff included along the way, but generally it's about the people and the places, getting to know each other and just enjoying yourself. You know, we're not sort of breaking the rules, 200 miles an hour, obviously. Germany we're allowed, but yeah, just check us out really on YouTube and sort of see if you fancy a trip, and we'll always chat to people.
Yeah, so there's absolutely tons of videos, and over the years you've had some mega awesome people join you along the trip in terms of like not just drivers but also guys producing videos. So there's some absolutely stunning videos on your YouTube channel and on your social media, to be fair, isn't there?
Yeah, we've got amazing stuff by sort of lots of creative people, you know, maybe our new chap over there filming. You know, maybe we'll be interested one trip with Darren.
Comment down below which trip you think we should join Rick on. Go and have a look at his website and tag us, or on social media, tag us in the trip that you think we should join in on. Tag either myself or BD Performance, or even Lee Bennett from Lee Bennett Media, you know, that channel that he hasn't started yet properly. And tag us in that one and see which trip you'd like us to join Rick on. And see, also maybe comment in it what car you think we should take along. Obviously we've got the Mark II Focus RS. We may have the opportunity to use a Mark II Focus RS, or even an ST, or even a tuned up one. Just comment down below to let us know what you'd like to see and what content wise, and where you'd like us to go with Rick, because we've been good friends for a good many years now, as I've said before, and it'd be just really awesome to join him on one of these road trips. It's been an oversight on my part to not do this, certainly, but now it presents the amazing opportunity for us to get some awesome footage to share with you guys. So stay tuned and we'll get back to you really soon. Thanks for watching, guys.
Stay safe.